how to fix monday.com board not loading. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply hard refresh, right? So if you're on your PC, what you can do is simply press Ctrl plus F on your Windows, or if you're on the Mac, then you can actually press Command plus Shift plus R in order to refresh. If you're on your mobile, you can simply swipe up just like this, swipe down, sorry, and then it will refresh your page and see if that helped, right? So if that did not help, then if you're using any sort of browser extension, you'll need to disable it. Turn off any sort of browser ad blocker or privacy extension that actually blocks the web sockets. So after doing that, of course, if you're on the mobile, then make sure that you're not using any sort of VPN. You can scroll down through your control panel, long press on these icons. Here you'll be able to see VPN. Make sure it is turned off. So after doing all of that, lastly, try to check for your board filters. You can clear all of your active search filters or Persian filters that applies to board view. And then you can clear all of your browser cache. If you're on the application, clear all of your app cache. And I'm pretty sure doing all of these will help you fix the board not working.